Today on CWN, the football game is coming up quick.
And the Marine recruiters are here. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Lauren, and today is Thursday, October 16th, 2025.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the pledge to the Texas flag.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
The Marine recruiters are here today, and we spoke to them to get the inside look on what's been going on. Let's send it over now.
Hey Cats, I'm here with one of our Marine recruiters. So what have you been doing today?
So today we're actually conducting our pull-up bar challenge, challenging a lot of the students here at Calallen to come out and do pull-ups, win some prizes such as a water bottle, lanyards, and also be able to give them some information about what the Marine Corps has to offer as far as career paths when they graduate from high school.
And when will you all be here next?
So we're scheduled to be here every Thursday. However, there are some times that we're not able to make it. But if you are interested and at least sitting down and speaking with us, they can always get in touch with the college and career counselor, Mrs. Larissa Duke, and she'll be able to get in contact with us so we can come out here. But we try to support you guys in every way that we can, and we look forward to continuing our work with the students here at Calallen High School.
Well, perfect. Thank you so much. Now back to the studio.
Now let's send it over to Madison for Wildcat Media after this short break.
Counterfeit pills laced with fentanyl are everywhere.
Even one pill can cause deadly accidental poisoning.
Stay safe by avoiding unknown substances.
Seek help if you or a friend are struggling.
Remember, even one pill kills.
Wildcat Media. Calallen Football recently posted regarding their JV football game against TM. If you want to go support our Cats, go to Tolosa Midway Stadium at 5 p.m. You can see more information on our Instagram at Calallen Football. And now let's offer media back to the anchors.
Thank you, Madison.
Now let's send it over to Caitlin with the rundown on sports after this quick break.
Good morning, Cats. Apply Texas will be waiving all applications for colleges, trade schools, and you will be saving $50 to $75 each application. So go ahead and apply now. Thank you. Back to the studio.
Thank you, anchors, and good morning, Wildcats. Students, don't forget about the football game tomorrow as they will be playing against TM. Let's send it over now to see how they think that it will go.
Hey Cats, I'm here with Jason Gomez. Obviously, big game Friday. What do you think we have to do to get it done on Friday?
I just think we got to be dominant on both sides of the ball and just get better each week.
Thank you, bro. Hey Cats, I'm here with Avi Solis. Friday, big game against TM. What do we have to do to go out and dominate?
I think we'll just have to really hold our gaps and be patient, really communicate all over the defense, and just stop the run, mainly, yeah.
What are you looking forward to this Friday, Mills?
Just making a statement and, just playing physical and just bringing home a win, and that's about it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow night, the volleyball team also has a game against TM, and we wish you guys the best of luck. Let's send it over now to get the inside look on how they think it will go.
Good morning, Cats. I'm here with Jaden Lindgren. So, Jaden, how's it feel to be the volleyball sweetheart?
It feels great. I'm really glad my teammates voted me in.
Are you looking forward to the game against TM on Friday?
Yes, I'm really excited, and I want everyone to come. Come watch us.
Are you more excited to be the sweetheart or for the TM game?
I'm more excited for the TM game.
All right, thank you. That's all. I'm back to studio.
And that's the latest on Calallen Sports. Now back to the anchors.
Thank you, Caitlin.
Sorry, y'all, but there's no weather for today. We apologize. And that's all your announcements for today, but now it's time for your joke of the day. So, guys, why did the tree laugh?
I don't know, Lauren. Why?
Because it heard a corny joke.
For all you social people out there, make sure you're following us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram at CalallenTV for all the latest updates. Also, subscribe to us here on YouTube to catch all of our latest videos.
And as always,